Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Wearfit app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in verse, you just go down here, you click here on me down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here, you just click here on health management system, just click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open video here. So then here automatically it's going to show for you like this here. Then here you will find your personal health management platform here. It's going to show for you like this. And here can you find all data about your your health management system here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.